Don't wait, the fire brigade will come, they will extinguish the fire and try to rescue the trapped person also, okay?
Of Collector South Goa, we have conducted a tabletop exercise on flood and cyclone scenario today at Mini Theatre Hall, Ravindra Bhavan. And this exercise was conducted by Collectorate South Goa district in collaboration with NDRF, National Disaster Response Force. See, there are a lot of disasters which happen, and whenever these disasters happen, panic situation arises. Mostly people call the fire service officials, Mamlatdar officials, deputy collector officials, police officials. So the purpose of conducting this exercise is to spread awareness amongst the general public and also amongst the officials of other government departments in order to save lives of the general public. So today during the exercise, the NDRF officials have briefed the people, general public, youth volunteers about the various techniques to mitigate disasters like flood and during cyclone, what preventive measures we have to undertake. And we have also discussed about the mock exercise which will be conducted on 14th February. So we have selected the Wadem beach just behind Wadem Lake as the site to conduct mock exercise, wherein a scenario of cyclone and flood will be created. And there is a distinguished task which has been assigned to the concerned officials of fire office, then police official, NDRF official, Mamlatdar official tomorrow during the exercise. And that will be undertaken on 14th February at 10 a.m. onwards at just behind Wadem Lake. So the sole purpose of conducting this exercise is to undertake preventive measures. See, but whenever cyclones and floods arises, sometimes there is panic situation, and we are now disseminating this information to not only various officials of government department, but also to the youth volunteers and Apada Mitras in order to prepare them to mitigate these disasters when they actually occur.
So today the office of the South Collector, including our office and Mamlatdar office, has planned a mock exercise in collaboration with the NDRF. So it is basically a 2 days program wherein today there was a tabletop exercise in the Ravindra Bhavan premises, wherein the NDRF officials has given a detailed presentation about the mock exercise and also briefed the roles and responsibilities of the various stakeholders that they have to perform on the day of mock exercise. And tomorrow we are doing the mock exercise wherein we have identified the Wadem beach, which is behind the Wadem Lake, as a site for conducting the mock exercise. So basically the main objective of such exercise is to check the level of our preparedness. So when the real incident happens, then what we are supposed to do, and conducting such exercise helps us in achieving the gaps that are in our preparedness.
टेबलटॉप एक्सरसाइज असे ह्या लेक्चर आपले एनडीआरएफान आमकां सगळे टेक्निक शिकयले आणि ह्या हितून ट्रेनिंगेक सगळे गव्हर्मेंट ऑर्गनायझेशन आपले कलेक्टर म्हामलेदार रिमेनिंग गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसर आपले सो तेंची टॉक दिल्या उपरांत म्हाका एक चान्स पडलो की फायर ब्रिगेडाचेर बेसीक फायर सेफ्टी ट्रेनिंग तेन्ना हांवें तांकां टॉक दिवन तांकां फायर सेफ्टीचे अवेरनेस सगळ्यांक करतले. All the students were there from the MES college and government school. They are all enjoyed and think of fire safety नावाच्या बद्दल सगळ्यांका awareness मिळेल. Experience all enjoy the training and all like and they learn how to take awareness at the time of situation in the fire and